Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to change your country setting on Amazon Music. In this tutorial, you will learn the exact process needed to update your country or region preference, ensuring that your Amazon Music experience is tailored to your current location. We begin with the essentials. Start by opening your internet browser and typing in the address for Amazon's main website. Once the homepage loads, you will be ready to proceed. Once you have arrived at the Amazon website, direct your attention to the top of the page where you will see a section labeled Account and Lists. This option is clearly visible and is your gateway to accessing account management features. Click on Account and Lists. This action will open a drop-down menu with several options that pertain to your account details, orders, and much more. After you have clicked on Account and Lists, your next step is to scroll down the page until you find the option that says Manage your content and devices. This section is designed to give you control over your digital purchases and preferences. It might take a moment to locate, as many options are displayed on the page, so take your time to ensure that you scroll down far enough to see all the choices available. Once you have reached the Manage Your Content and Devices section, continue by clicking on Preferences. The Preferences area is where you can adjust various settings that affect how you experience Amazon services. It is the hub for making changes that reflect your current location, among other things. Within Preferences, look for the country or region settings. This is typically grouped with other geographical or regional preferences that allow you to tailor your experience to meet your needs. When you have found the country and region settings option, go ahead and click on it. This step is critical as it leads you to the interface where you can update the information to ensure that it reflects the country you are currently in. Upon clicking country and region settings, you will see an option labeled Change. Select this change option to begin the process of updating your address details. This is a simple transition that will take you to a form where you can enter your new information. In the new section that appears, you are now prompted to enter your new address. Make sure that you fill in the correct details for your new country or region, as this information will determine the content and services available to you on Amazon Music. Take your time to ensure accuracy, as any mistakes might affect the functionality of your account settings or the availability of content in your region. After you have entered all the required address details accurately, proceed to finalize your changes by clicking on Update. This final action confirms that your country settings have been changed successfully and updates your profile with the new information you provided. Your Amazon account is now set to the new country, and you should enjoy a browsing and media experience that aligns with your current location. By following these detailed instructions, you have successfully updated your country setting in Amazon Music. Enjoy the seamless transition and the content that is now relevant to your region.